Canon has just launched two new vlogging centric cameras, the point and shoot PowerShot V1 and the mirrorless EOS R50 V. The PowerShot V1 features a new design that is optimized for normal and selfie shooting. It includes a fixed 16:50 f2.8 to 4.5 zoom lens that covers 17 to 52 mm in video. The camera uses a new 22.3 megapixel 1.4-inch type CMOS sensor with dual pixel autofocus for PowerShot and a cooling fan inside to enable longer video shooting. The camera can be used for video calls and live streaming via the PC using the USB connection and can work wired and wirelessly with your smartphone using the Canon Camera Connect app. The EOS R50 V has a new design optimized for video with a dedicated live streaming button, a recording button in front of the camera, and a new tripod screw hole on the side for portrait recording. It uses an RF mount and is compatible with all Canon RF lenses, including the newly launched RF-S14 lens, which is the first RF-S lens with power zoom functionality. It features a 24 megapixel APS-C sensor with dual pixel CMOS AF2. It can shoot at 4K 60 with a crop. It supports Canon Log 3 and you can match it with Canon Cinema EOS line. The PowerShot V1 is priced at $900 while the EOS R50 V is priced at $650 for the body only and $850 with the RF-S14 lens. Both cameras will be available for sale in April.